just gotta talk to you. You're not in trouble. Come here. Come here. Stop. You're not in trouble. Come here. Come here. I'm not gonna walk all the way down the street for you. Come here. It's freezing out.
No!
Stop. 247.
I am not.
247.
I got her at 76 Harris. Just start a rig.
Get off of me!
Stop. What's going on?
Get off of me!
What's going on?
Get off of me!
I'm not gonna get off.
Get off!
What is going on? How can I help you?
Get off of me!
No, because
I don't
you're
want
not
to be
gonna run. Harris, you're not gonna run away from me, okay? Because I'm gonna have to chase you. Okay? And I got like 6 other cars coming to chase you.
I don't care.
All right?
I don't care.
Well, come and talk to me, please.
No, I don't want to.
Dear. What is going on? What did you tell your mom?
What
did you tell your mom?
I'm not going to.
Huh?
I'm not going.
Huh?
I'm not going.
That's fine. But what did you tell your mom?
What?
What happened? Why are you so upset?
She stabbed my dad.
Who did?
Her.
She did? Okay.
That was my blood you seen off of my lip. The fuck?
No, it was not, because when he walked in the house, he was holding his stomach.
It was my blood. How the hell?
So your lip gonna bleed all the way down to your stomach, to your pants.
Fighting on the porch.
Who's
yes,
your dad?
You grown-ass little girl. You're grown as a bitch. You don't know what you're talking about. Look at you.
Who's your
That
dad?
was your blood of your lip. That much blood?
Yes, he had me in the head like you finna really make me do.
Ma'am.
Really finna go in on your ass. Now, because she's 9 years old and she really behind. That's why she's done. That's why she's done. It's okay. You sit there, watch this man put his hands on me all the time. All the time.
Did you stab him?
No, I didn't.
Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Yes, he did.
How do you know that?
Because
how do you know that?
Yes, because when he walked in the
Come
house,
to my car, let's
when he
talk.
walked
It's
in the
freezing
house,
out. Come on.
he was holding. Okay, so your
Hold on.
lip gonna
I'm
go
not-
to his blood. And
He had me in the headlock.
I'm not
So
saying.
you stabbed him?
I'm sitting here arguing with it. Yeah, so I stabbed him.
Yes, you did.
I just put the police on him. They gonna find him.
No.
He is.
No.
They gonna find him.
Dear, just
If
come
we gonna
with me to
see
my
you
car,
You gonna get your
right?
ass for sitting here lying.
I'm not.
Come on.
I'm not going to that.
First of all, Steviana, you gonna bring your ass to this motherfucking house, and I'm gonna ask you one more time. You gonna bring your ass to this house before I yoke your ass up and drag you home. I got custody. You're my child. So you gonna take your ass home right now, and you gonna take your ass in the house.
All right, come on. Hold on. I'm not helping you.
Go the fuck in the house now.
Come on. Come on. Ma'am.
I wish you might.
If you want my help, just get up.
Wish you might.
Stop.
I'm gonna
Who the fuck is you talking to like that?
Get away.
Who the fuck is you talking to like that? Who the fuck is you talking to like that?
No.
Come on, you gotta come with me. You gotta come with me.
Who the fuck is you
Come on.
talking to like
I'm
that?
not going.
Come on, dear. All right, listen.
now.
Do me a
You
favor.
got me fucked
Do me a
up.
favor. Go back to the house. All right. Dear, you're not running away from me. You're not running away. Come on.
Can I help ya?
Come on.
Can I help ya? Can I help you?
Come on.
I'm fuck ya. Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you?
All right, let's go. Stop. Enough.
Can I help you?
Enough.
And you can suck my dick. And you can suck my dick. And you can suck my dick. What's up?
Enough.
What up? What up? But say shit pussy about me. What up?
Come on. Stop.
What up?
Stop.
What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Get out the car then. Get out the car.
Stop.
Get out the car. Right, you still talking. Let me go. Still
4-7.
talking though. Bitch. That's the ass bitch. Get the fuck out of my face. Don't help me. I'm gonna hit you.
Yeah, Mom's trying to start a fight with cars driving by now, so get a couple cars down. Stop.
Stop.
Put her in your here. Hey! Get back in your house!
No! I want my dad!
You're not gonna run off.
I want my dad!
Stop.
I want my dad! I'm not getting in no car! I want my dad! I want my dad! No! Stop! Oh my God! Okay. Wait, my mom, she's pregnant though.
You done?
My mom pregnant. Oh yeah, please
Stop.
let me go. I want my dad. Give me a please. I want my dad, please.
Lost for SR. Mom's still trying
Wait,
to play.
please. Can you go help my mom?
driving
She's
by.
pregnant. Can you go help my mom?
Daughter's in
She's
custody.
pregnant. Please.
Let's go.
Please,
Get
help.
up.
I want my dad.
Get up.
I want my dad. I want my dad.
I got a car out here.
I want my dad.
I got one car out here. Get in the car! Get in the car now! Okay? What are you doing? What are you doing? Because you're going to go to jail now too.
I want my dad. Wait. I just want to see my dad, please.
Get in the car. You can't get in. Get in the car. Get in the car. I don't care what you're doing. Get in the car! I'm ready to take Mom to jail too.
Okay, but you need to get warm. Otherwise, you'll be okay. I'll do it.
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah. No. Her hands are freezing.
Look at me. Look at me. Don't look anywhere else.
Get in the car. I'm done telling you. Get in the car.
This is it, hon.
Get in the car.
I know. You gotta sit back.
Too hard.
Don't do it. Sit back.
247. You got a rig stage.
Yes, there is a rig tonight.
Alright, just keep him staged for a minute. Huh?
Fresh, are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
How are you, Fred?
Just need a neighborhood check.
Yeah, I got
Mom's
you.
out here. I catch her. Mom's out here trying to fight people driving by.
House? I'll go right now.
129. She's the one that called originally.
Okay, what do you want, a depot or what?
I'm ready to take Mom.
I'll take Mom. Stress and I'll go arrest her.
I will call him.
I mean, I really...
Relax, dear. You're gonna be just...
You gotta tell, listen, you gotta tell this officer.
I want my dad. I'm not going nowhere. I want my dad.
We don't need you here.
Hey! Get back in your house!
Dear, let's go have a seat.
No! I want my dad!
You're not gonna run off.
I want my dad!
Yes, you're gonna be fine.
Stop.
I want my dad! I'm not getting in no car till I see my dad!
Dear, just stop for a second.
I want my dad!
Control 47, I'm in there.
I want my dad! No!
Stop. Don't kick us, dear.
Stop! Oh my God!
Stop, dear.
Okay,
Just relax.
okay.
You
Wait, my
done?
mom, she's pregnant.
Are you done?
My mom
Are you done?
pregnant. Yes, please just
Stop.
let me go. I want my dad.
Stop, dear.
Please.
You good?
Give me a
2-4,
break.
son.
I want
I know.
Balls for us, sir.
I'm still trying to play.
Ma'am, hey, get out of the street for me. Get out of the street. Get out of the street for me. Just stand out of the street.
I want my dad. I want my dad. I want my dad.
It might be either this.
I want my dad.
One car out here.
I want my dad. I want
You
my
gotta stop and take a breath.
Stop.
You're alright.
Stop.
Can I just see my dad, please? I want my dad. Wait, can I just please get the snow off of me?
I'll get the snow off you.
It's cold.
In the
You've
car.
had your chance.
Get in the car now.
Okay?
Okay?
You've had your chances.
I want
What
my,
are you doing?
I want
What
my
are you
dad.
doing?
I want
Because
my
you're gonna go to jail now too.
I want my
Have a
dad.
seat,
Wait,
dear.
I just want to see my dad, please.
Get in
For
the
the
car.
last
Stand down
time.
here. Get
I
in the
want
car.
my dad.
Get in the car.
I demand it.
I don't care what you demand. Let's go.
I
She's
want,
got her leg underneath my car.
stop. I want my dad. I want my dad.
Stop or you're gonna get yourself hurt.
Stop. He's hurting me. I want to. Oh my God.
Then get in the car.
Please help somebody. No.
You want me to grab it from the other side?
I want my dad. Stop.
Sit her up.
Stop.
Sit up.
No.
You're acting like a
I
child.
want to.
Stop.
I am a child. The fuck.
I just went back to the house.
My arm. I have a
All right.
bad arm.
Stand up. Stand up.
Yeah, let
I
that
have a
go.
Stand
bad
up.
arm.
Then stand up.
Get up, come on.
I want my dad.
Come on.
I can't hurt. She's on the
I'm
ground.
a girl officer.
Stand up. Stand
I'm
up.
a girl officer. I'm right here.
You're gonna get sprayed.
I want a girl officer.
Stand up.
Stand up.
I want to get. Please don't stand up for me.
Okay, they'll get off of you, but you have to get up, okay? Will you get up? Can you let go of her? I got her. I got her. Come on. I will. They will let go, but you gotta stand up. Stand up. Will you stand up for me? Will you stand? Hey, look at me. Stand up.
I can't the way I'm sitting.
Ready? Yep. Good job.
A little bit more.
My arm.
A little bit more.
Look. Good, there you go.
He's pulling so hard.
Chill. It's okay. I know. Go ahead.
Are you
Sit
gonna?
back for her. Sit back for him. Okay?
I'll let go if you're
Sit
gonna
back for her so
stop.
he doesn't pull you, okay?
I want my dad.
I'll find your dad, okay? But you need to sit back. Put your foot here.
No,
And sit back.
I want my dad.
I'm gonna get your dad, okay? But you need to get warm, otherwise you're gonna get hypothermia. So sit back, okay? I'll get your dad, I promise.
Oh my dad.
Is he here?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll find him, okay? But you, and look at me. I can't find your dad until you sit back and I can close the door, okay? I will find your dad, so sit back. I promise. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Don't look anywhere else. I
Get in
promise.
the car.
Okay?
I'm done telling you. Get in
This is
the
it.
car.
This is it, hun. Okay?
mouth stop.
Let's just sit back. I want to see my dad.
Yeah.
Come on. Please sit back. Come on, put your legs in. It's your last chance.
I want my
Last chance. I'm going to go get your dad.
I want my dad.
Come on.
I want to call him.
I will call him. Sit back. Come on. They are losing their patience. Okay? Come on.
I want my dad.
Come on, good job. Come on, you're almost there. Come on.
I want my dad.
Come on. Use that
What's
to
her
sit
name?
back. I don't know her name. What's
Bradstreet, what's her name?
Sit back.
Dear, why, you just stop for a second and take a deep breath. Hey, just stop.
Please. I will get your dad.
No, you said that you were going to pepper spray me. No, please, no, stop.
Sit back.
Oh, I got a bad arm.
Just spray her.
No, I have
Just
a
spray
bad
her at this
arm.
point. Dear. I got her. I got her.